Barong Tagalog. Now let's go to the next ambassador, bringing her shine to the stage and to the universe. Ang tita puso ng bawat tagumpay, embodying beauty, intelligence, and the pure heart of the Filipino. Let's welcome Miss Universe 2015, Pia Wurzbach-Chauncey. Ang bida na lakas na inangat ang buong bayan. A symbol of strength and perseverance, our first ever Olympic gold medalist, Heidelin Diaz. Science, ang bida talino na magbabago ng kinabukasan. The Filipina who proved Einstein right and is making science accessible to all. Let's welcome globally acclaimed astrophysicist Dr. Reyna Reyes. Fun with being the best, ang bida talento na may mga likhang angat sa iba. A creative trailblazer whose work urges Pinoy pride and influences from international street culture. Let's welcome international toy design icon, Quix Marquez. Representing the Filipino heart in the virtual realm, ang bida diskarte na hindi uurong sa bawat laban. Represented by Mr. Leo Andrew Escudin, the General Manager of Cebol, who is leading our country's esports to the international stage. Let's welcome our World MLBB champions, Cebol. Tunay nang napaindak nila ang buong mundo, ang bida galing na may panalong sigla, represented by Mr. Francis Fajardo, Creative Director, and Ms. Katrina Baya, UB's member, orchestrating dance moves on the global stage with their rhythm, passion, and originality. We'd also like to call up on stage World Hip Hop Dance Champions, UB's. Two of our Bida Best ambassadors who unfortunately cannot make it today as they are training for their competitions. We have Bida Tapang na tuloy-tuloy sa paghakbang at ang ating world-class pole vaulter EJ Obiena. At there you go. At ang Bida Husay na tunay naman na walang kapantay sa larangan ng gymnastics. We have double Olympic gold medalist Kaloy Yulo. These are our Bida Best icons, individuals to show the world that being Filipino means being world class. Let's give them another one.